Hi, monkey. Look at our new lights. It's kind of hard to see on this. The glow lights, track lights up there. Monkey, are you gonna crawl? Come here, Spunkledunk. Hi. Hi. Come here. Ah! Come get this camera. You come get it. Here she comes. She's gonna get Pepe and he's gonna get mad. Pepe, you could solve this problem by getting out of the way. She's gonna rock him out of the way. Michael, could you move him?
No.
Come here, monkey. Oh. Hi. Here she comes. No, 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 no. Come on. Come here. Here she comes. She's a crawling monkey with a little gnat on her nose. What you got? What you doing? Mommy's knee. What you doing? She stands up. She's standing up now. Hi. Spunkledunk. Where are you gonna go? You can go get that kitty? You can go get that kitty? What you doing? Hey. You can't get hot. Go get that kitty. Go get the kitty. Go get the kitty. Go get that kitty. Go get the kitty, Uncle Spunk. Spunkledunk. Go get the kitty. You go get the kitty. Ah.